Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I will give you a quick guide of the Teckin Smart plug SP27. First I will show you the plug, then I will connect the plug to the Smart Life app, and finally I will show you what you can do with it. The box comes with two Teckin Smart plugs and the user manual. The Teckin SP27 is one of the smallest smart plugs on the market, making it really practical to plug into your extension leads or wall sockets. As you can see, I can easily connect the plug next to other plugs using the same extension lead, unlike other plugs in the market. The plug can take up to 13 ampere of maximum load. This means you can use it for charging your phone, TV, computer, laptop, lamps and lights. It has socket slots with sliding safety covers to prevent children from inserting their fingers. To control the plug with your smartphone, you will need to download and install the Smart Life app from Play Store or App Store. You can also control the plug with your Amazon Alexa and Google Nest smart speakers. This will allow you to control the plug with voice commands. For example, I will show you how I use Alexa to turn on my Teckin Smart plug. Alexa, turn on Smart Socket. Alexa, turn off Smart Socket. Now let's connect the plug to the Smart Life app. First download and install the Smart Life app on your phone. So go to your Play Store or App Store and type Smart Life in the search box. Then tap Install. It will take a few seconds for the app to be installed on your phone. Once done, open the app. Now log in if you have an account. If you don't have an account, then sign up for one. I already have one, so I will just log in. To add a new plug, tap on Add Device. Now select your plug from the list. For the SP27, select the socket Wi-Fi. Now allow the Smart Life app to access your device's location. Select your Wi-Fi network connection from the list and input its password. Then tap Next. Then power on the device after it has been powered off for 10 seconds. Then tap Next. Press and hold the reset button for 5 seconds until the indicator starts blinking. Then tap Next. If your indicator is blinking 3 times per second, then select the button next to Confirm Indicator Rapidly Blink. Mine is blinking, so I can select it. Then tap Next. It will take a few seconds for the plug to be registered on the cloud. My plug has been added successfully. Now tap Done. You can now control your smart plug with the Smart Life app, so you can turn it off or turn it on. You can also tap on Schedule to set a schedule to turn on and off your Teckin plug. For example, I will set a schedule for the plug at 9:30. Repeat it every day. Select the action to turn off the plug, then save. I can then set another schedule for the plug at 17 o'clock. Repeat it every day. Select the action to turn on the plug, then save. This means that every day my smart plug will turn off at 9:30 and back on at 17 o'clock. These types of schedules can be useful to control your Christmas decorations, for example. You can also connect your Teckin plug with Alexa and Google Home. This will allow you to control your Teckin Smart plugs with voice commands. Watch the videos that will appear at the end of this video to learn how to do this. With quick tips too, knowledge has no limits.